So this is a water brush. It's I'll show you that if you do go out to an art shop and hunt some of this stuff down.
Yeah.
This one is a Pentel brand, but it's been jammed. It's been used by the students and abused. So I've got an X on it to say don't use this one, Jackie, because it's got a problem with it. But this brand, this shape here one is my favourite shape, because this is really soft and squidgy and really easy on your hand because you just softly squeeze it.
Okay. Yep.
But this is a different brand. It's a lot cheaper, but it's very stiff plastic here for squeezing the water out. Yep. So the way it works is either brand. Pentel is my favourite. It's called Pentel Aquash, but this is a different brand. Somebody showed it to me a few years ago, and I'm so addicted to them now. I'd see them in shops and I didn't even know what the heck they were. But now I know how to use them, and I'm teaching people how to use them, and they're magical. I love them. So it's almost like being able to take a watercolour set away with you just in a stick.
Oh, wow.
So you don't need a jar of water.
Yes,
so the way it works is it's got this kind of plasticky bristles where the water comes through, like a fountain pen. And you just basically unscrew it here like this, and this barrel, you fill it up with water under the tap. And then screw it back in, and it's just like a fountain pen. When you squeeze it, the water comes through the bristles.